Hey, it's Jamaison, and I have an unboxing video for you. So I am fortunate enough to know lots of people in the glass world, and occasionally I'll get a supplier who reaches out and says, hey, I want to share some stuff with you. And so this is one of those examples. This is from Erin with Glassmania Studios, and Glassmania does 90 and 96 Waterjet cuts. And so she has sent me a package, and thank you for trying our products. We hope you enjoy creating with these shapes. Get 15% off your first order on our website. Okay, so that's cool. Go to glassmaniastudios.com, glassmaniastudios.com, and you get 15% off your first order if you join their mailing list. So that's really cool. So thank you, Erin and John. This is really generous, and I am looking forward to seeing what you sent me. She sends an email and says, I probably went overboard. So, which I'm not going to complain about. So let's take a look. I'm super excited to play. You might be able to hear my kiln. There's a fan on the kiln now. I've got a new hotshot kiln, so you don't hear the clicking anymore because it's got solid state relays, but there's a fan running in the background. So I'm doing my test tiles right now. So I'm not going to be making and firing anything for a little while. So that's a long way of telling you it may be a while before you see some of these in projects, but I am super excited to get to creating again. And this is kind of fun to see what it is that I got and how I can create. I'm loving how well everything is packed up here. Oh, look. Trees. I love trees. Erin knows I love trees because I do a lot of pieces. Those are really pretty. That looks like it's aventurine green. I'm not sure. I think that's light aventurine green. Oh, yeah. Look how pretty. Spring green. That might be spring green transparent. Oh, that's a different shape. Yeah. Okay, really fun. Here's another one. And I can see that's a bear, and looks like a cat. Yeah, look at that. Cat and a bear. Well, I'm trying to turn that around for you. I'm trying to also be super careful. Oh, and trees with stars on them. And some other shapes. I'm not going to unpack all of these. I think you can see them. You can also just go to their website, glassmaniastudios.com. Super cool. Okay, these I'm going to have to undo so we can see what's in here. Oh, look at that. Those are fun flowers. Okay, so that's what these others are too, just in different colors. Those are super fun. And I can tell through the tape, these are hearts. Look, oh, those are great. And looks like pink hearts under here. Oh yeah. Sweaters for ugly sweater ornaments, great. Oh my goodness. Check out the mid-century modern cats. Oh, yes. Okay, that is gonna definitely be a fun project. Oh, and this is cool. Another one in orange. And hummingbirds. I'm gonna carefully undo these. I'm a little shaky today, and I just don't want to risk breaking those beaks. Check that out. Oh, yes. Now, Erin checked. She knows I'm a bullseye user, so these are made of bullseye glass, but again, they also have COE 96. Okay. Fun. You can see cats. Look at those little guys. Or gals. A butterfly, some seahorses. Oh, neat. Look at the details on those angels. snowflakes. I love snowflakes, Aaron. I love these. I'm undoing this one because I want to see what the middle looks like. Yeah. Oh yeah, there you go. What? Okay, we've got this dragon. Wow. Look how intricate that is. Look at that. Look at those cuts. Holy cow. I'm being extra careful now. And this looks like a fun kitty. Yup. That one just has some sass, right? That one looks like it's got some personality. Oh, I can't remember what the symbol is called. And look at that little dinosaur. This looks like kind of the Sinclair dinosaur. And I can see what these are. Clouds. Look how cute. Ah, some skulls. Those would be great for Day of the Dead. Put some Urini on those. Oh, some more ornament blanks. Oh, and more. So these are in clear. Those are fun. Okay, Aaron and John, thank you very much. If you guys are interested in these and more, I'm sure there are even more shapes, but these are pretty amazing. Check out glassmaniastudios.com. Don't forget to sign up for the newsletter and get 15% off. They've got stuff in both 90 and 96, and you are going to see projects with these really throughout the summer and into the holidays. So thank you, gang. This was super great of you. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing and learning about a new supplier. Go check out their website. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.